Okay, welcome everyone. Kindly listen to me. So they asked a question. He went to the shop, but he bought. So it is a question from a general aptitude. Okay, so whenever you find this type of sentence, he went to shop. Yes, that is gone. But means what? It's always a negative word. Okay. Example: if you say he went to shop and he bought, means it is like some positive word. Okay. Now listen to me. The first option they ask. Anything means what? Anything means at least. So what is do? At least he may buy. At least he may buy one or one item. Okay, no issues. But something means what? Any like things or any like thing. Maybe one thing is it over. Okay, everything means what? It shows all things he is buying. Okay, but not because listen me. Whenever I say from myself, but is it right? Nothing means what? He simply gone. He simply gone to the shop and got he got nothing. Okay, he got nothing. This is the one. So I hope you understand everything clearly. Okay, so the answer is nothing. Okay, so please take this option. This is a very clear option about this one. This is a must question, and in most cases it will be asked. Okay, thank you all.